Alright guys, if you're watching this video, you are probably tired of not being able to see anything on your speedo in your Twingo. So let me just get in. So the problem is that every time you would turn on your lights, the screen gets really dim, right? So this is how it normally works. This is how it probably works for you, right? The screen is nice and readable, but when you turn the lights on, bang, it becomes like dimmer. Which is not really a problem right now in the dark, but during the day you won't be able to see shit out of it. And basically when I flip the switch, or if you hardwire it or whatever, it goes back to, it stays in the same thing, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's how it works. Alright, so to get the speedo out of there, you will have to first unscrew these 3 bolts right here. You need to get this plastic off. So there's one bolt over here, there's one in the middle, and there is one on the side over here. You just take those out, and then this whole plastic piece slides out. And then there are 3 more holding the screen in. I think there's like 1, 2, and 3. And then you unclip the cable from the back, and you can take it out. And yeah, then we go to the next step, which is finding the resistor. Yeah, we need to find the resistor that makes the screen dim. And I installed a switch onto it, but you can do it any way you want. You can add like an automatic light detection switch. You can just hardwire it, whatever you want. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I thought it was this one right here, so I unsoldered it, but it was only working in the low mode, which is exactly the opposite of what I'm trying to do. So now I'm gonna try this one right here, because it's wired into the same path, right? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna unsolder this, see if that works. Okay, so the leg has been soldered off, as you can see. Now I'm gonna connect it, see if it works. Wish me luck. Okay, so let's see, I connected it back to the back. Let's try it. Okay, so turning the key. This bulb stopped working for some reason, but it does work. The port does work, the bulb just went out. I don't know why, it looks fine. But it works. This is the bright mode, and when I flip the switch, there we go. It doesn't work, which is good, because this is disconnected now. So now we know that I think I need to put a bridge it with a wire or something, and it should work. So what I think I'm gonna do is put a switch in here with one cable going from this, one cable going from that, and one cable going... Oh, and the other one going there, of course. Yeah. So I've been doing it for so long that it's night time out. Alright, so I hooked it back up. I have the cables in as well, and I'm testing it right now. So this is without any cables, right? Put the lights on, goes off. When I connect the red one, which is my pin, the one that I didn't take out. This is the one that I took out, that's the one I kept that in there. So when I take this and I connect it straight to the other one, so now they are connected. I just twisted them together. So now this is the bright mode, right? I twist it and it stays bright, right? But when we then switch it up with the other one, well, you already know. Well, we actually have to connect not this one, but these two together, because it basically bridges the resistor with the other one, right? So we connect these black ones together. So I connect those two, and guess what? Guess what will happen, guys? It works as it did stock. There. Perfect. Alright, so that's it. I'm just gonna wire it to a switch. Alright, so the cables are ready. I pulled them out through here, just put it back, you know. And now I'm deciding where I'm gonna put the switch. Okay, so I think I've decided that I'm gonna put it here on the side. I kind of like it, honestly. Okay, I don't know if I forgot something, but I've put it back into place. I wired this thing to the switch and it works. It's switching. It's a switch, it works. For some reason, 2 bulbs also went out in that thing, which I replaced, and now they work. So I don't know. They looked okay visually, but they were not working. So I replaced those. I'm gonna place this back, put this through a hole I made on the side, which I already showed. I don't think I showed it. Did I show it? I made it here. Look at that. It's right there. The switch is right there. Now I turn the key. Oh, I thought it didn't light up. I was only looking at the camera, but it did. You just can't see it. Yeah, there it is. Alright, when I flip the switch, you can already see, if I flip it to the OG mode, it gets a little dimmer. You can't see it on the camera, but it does get dimmer. You see that? So now, in the new position, if I turn the lights on, look at that, wow, you can see the display. And now if I flip the switch, boom, it's dim. And now it's not. Perfect, it works. Very nice.